Teams are now able to create and manage their own one-page strategic plans. To create a team-level one-page strategic plan, first, go to the one-page strategic plan page. At the top of the page, click Manage Team Plan. Note that only admins can create, delete, or change security settings of team plans. In the Manage Plans section, click Create for the teams you want to create plans for and hit Confirm. By default, a team-level one-page strategic plan is public, meaning all users in the company will be able to see the plan, even if they don't belong to the team. If needed, you can make the plan secure, which limits access of the plan to just team members. To make a plan secure, check the box for the correct team. To view a team-level one-page strategic plan, click the drop-down next to the current plan's name, and then click on the correct team.